One single thing, me thank God for the Bogard, because we ladies, we have problem with the man them. If they wake up, they now go look like a work, and gone around bar, you can't see them days then come in, they not no time for we woman, So one thing me glad the Bogard do for we, put everybody underneath the quarantine. So the man them can get to fix the pipe, can fix the bathroom, can help with nail one nail. All the while we woman, we hard at work. But for a hand you quarantine with Jesus Christ, man. We have get all the work done in the house. Them a wash all the floor mat. We have get little loving now. Me thank God for him, man. And next thing again, me never get no sex from me, man, because every day I live at the rum bar, hand the domino table. But let me tell you, him do a good job during the quarantine. Thank you, Mr. Angeles, because he fix up my front part real good.
Real Talk Sister.
Listen, bro, I'm gonna tell you right now, there ain't nothing you can say to me to get me to take that COVID vaccine. That shit probably got crazy side effects. So it only has one side effect. What's the side effect? It makes your penis bigger. Huh? Your meat will be bigger if you take the vaccine. Okay, so shit, what arm y'all need? Shoot in this arm.